Allow me first to greet all of the members of the presidential table. Kuya ENDP, Joel Dagang, Kuya. To our Secretary General, Kuya Luis Panganiban. To our Executive Bill Director, Kuya Jerry Deana. To our Supreme Chancellor, who stand sa lahat para itayo ang bandera ng Agila, Kuya Ricardo Llorca. To our Vice President for Luzon, Kuya Mike Camacho. To our National Treasurer, Kuya Jojo Ablog. To our Board of Trustees, Kuya Freddy Uy from Cagayan Valley. From Cebu, Kuya Ricky Bulacan. For Manila Board of Trustees, Kuya Elmer Pasyon, Kuya. And also one of our Board of Trustees not here, Kuya Arnel Tibal. Our Regional Governor Chairman, Kuya Levi Caberto. To our Chief of Staff, Kuya Roy Cinco. And lastly, our Executive Secretary, Kuya Louie Arcilla. Sa lahat po ng Regional Governor present here, na tumayo po sa tama at kunay na pagbabago, maraming salamat po at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Sa lahat po ng Regional Officers, Regional Club Officers, Club President, lahat po ng mga kuya, ate, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. At especially, siyempre sa tagapag-alaga po ng Agila, ang aking asawa, Kuya Ate Gillette Masa. Buti ka na naging kuya, delikado tayo dito mamaya. Sa lahat po ng mga taga Cebu, pwede mo ba tumayo yung Cebu na lumipat pa galing Cebu pa para makarating lang dito? Palakpakan po natin sila. Meron po ba mga taga Mindanao na nakarating na mga members natin? So wala po. Sa lahat po ng mga nasa dulo na ng Pilipinas, yung mga taga-Cagayan Valley. Pwede ba tumayo lahat yung mga taga-Cagayan Valley natin? Ayun. Sa lahat po na nandito ngayon, gaya po na sinabi ni Kuya Bibi for Luzon, na tumayo po sa tamang paninindigan. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Isang pinagpalang gabi sa ating lahat, mga kuya ate. Today, it is a significant day where we gather not just a witness that oath-taking of the national officers, regional and club, but our journey today. Journey as a growth sa dedication and transformation of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated. Today, I stand up on the cup of a new chapter in your life. You are not just stepping into a new role. You are embodying something far greater. You are become a leader. As you take out today, you are affirming your commitment to something bigger than yourself. You're committing to be a beacon of courage, exemplary of resilience, and a voice of change in a world that often needs both. You committing to hold the heads up high when faces with challenge, to lift others up when the weight of the world seems too heavy, and live with integrity and honor. Sa inyong lahat na dumalo, ngayon, pinakita nyo lahat ng suporta at sakripisyo na iniwan nyo ang trabaho ngayong weekdays. Maraming salamat po. ang dahilan kung bakit ipagpapatuloy natin ang paninindigan at lumaban sa katotohanan. Mga kuya, ate, remember my first memorandum. Kaya po siguro ngayon wala akong kasama na nanalong BOT or national officers. Kasi ang first bonding natin, nung naupo po ko bilang national president, ay tanggalin lahat ng sahod ng national officers. Wala na po tayong sahod dahil lahat po tayo dito ay volunteer. You have encouraged and helped us to continue the road, but the road ahead, ahead is there to walk. The choice and the sacrifice of the triumph, they are now in your hands, mga eagle, mga kuya ate. The eagle after you are named in a symbol of vision, power, and grace. But it's also a symbol of freedom. Freedom to pursue your dream to your region and clubs. You're no longer just a follower. You are a trailblazer, and that comes a responsibility. The eagle doesn't fly alone. It soars above with purpose, with the wind beneath its wings, but also with the knowledge that it sparks something larger than itself, its community and ecosystem and legacy. As a leader, you are entrusted with power to make difference. It is not to encourage enough to just what it is required. You must strive to do what is right and lead with empathy to inspire others to rise alongside. Leadership is not a position. It is a responsibility, a duty to those who believe in you and those who feel your footsteps. There will be moments when we face adversity, times when the path is unclear, or when the weight of the responsibility feels heavy. But remember, this eagle does not fear storm. It spread its wing and use the wind to rise higher. The challenge you face is not an obstacle, but they are opportunities for growth, for providing the strength, your character, for showing others the true leadership you look like. So you as to take the oath today, remember this word. It's a pledge to yourself, to you, kuya and ate, and to the world. It is a pledge to a courage when even you feel fear, the act of honor, even when no one is watching. You lead with unwavering commitment, no matter how tough the road may be. In this moment, you are just an eagle. You are the future. Leaders who will inspire others to find their own wings and soar with you together. You will create a legacy of transcend time, to legacy the strength, the heart of unwavering voice. So rise up, mga kuya, ate, eagles. The sky is yours. Your journey begins now, and I have no doubt that you will make one that will look up for the generations to come. Mga kuya, ate, to all the national officers, regional governor, club officers, mga kuya, ate, samahan niyo po kami sa tunay na maayos na pagbabago ng Agila. Mabuhay po tayo, mabuhay po lahat ng may pusong Agila. Mabuhay ang Agila! Mabuhay!
Maraming salamat sa ating nag-iisa at tunay na National President for Eagle Year 2025 and 2026. Palakpakan natin muli ang Kuya Jason M. Masa. And now mga Reynaldo, Team Our Eagles Pledge.
Please raise your right hand and follow after me. I heavily subscribe to the Eagles Constitution and the bylaws, rules and regulations of the Philippine Eagles, and aware of my responsibility to my God and country. Do hereby pledge to promote and defend at all times St. Eagles Constitution and bylaws and their ideas to the best of my ability and within my power and capacity. So help me God. Please put your hands down. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Tim. Maaari na tayo magsipong lahat. And now I'd like to call on our National Treasurer for Eagle Year 2025 and 2026, Kuya Jojo Agho, for some messages po.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Sa lahat po na sa presidential table, magandang gabi po sa mga magiging na governors, vice governors, club presidents, club officers, mga kuya, mga ate, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Nais po namin magpasalamat sa ating po mga dumalo ngayong gabi sa ating pag-ipon, especially yung po nagbigay ng message kanina, messages, si Senator Gregorio Villalasa. Gabi po, around 1:30 in the morning, tsaka kanina, tumawag si Sir Greg, sabi niya, he really wanted to attend our gathering, kaya lang po yung kanilang party, they have to campaign first sa Mindanao, sa Davao. So, hindi sila nakadalo sa ating dito ngayon. And ginawa na po ng messages niya, pagbati po para kay Jason at sa ating lahat. So, thank you very much po kay Senator Gregorio Villalasa. And the other one, binibigay po naman sa atin si Congressman Richard Ko of the 1st District of Masbate. Isa rin po sa atin kuya and member po siya ng Rodeo Masbate dun sa kanyang lugar. So he is all running for governor sa Masbate po, sa province of Masbate. And just a few announcements or reminders na po. For those regions who wish to renew their mga membership po natin, yung bank account po natin sa Security Bank is already published and given to all governors. Pwede po kayong mag-renew at pay sa bank po, sa Security Bank po sa Tomas Puerto branch. I'll just text you the account number. And then, for all other regions or clubs who wish to pay personally, ang ating pong opisina, ang National Office natin is located at 4th floor, Vargas Building, Barangay Fairview Compound, Gala Street, Quezon City. So, doon lang po ang ating opisina sa office. Andun po ako, since recess kami sa Congress, araw-araw po ko nandoon together with some staff ng office to entertain and welcome you all sa ating po national office. And likewise,
Inuman na, champagne.
asan ang aking model? Yung po muna nag-renew na po. By the way, we have already set the portal. Ngayon po mga kuya, mga ate, medyo modernized na po tayo ngayon. Hindi rin po din kailangan yung paper. So lahat po ng mga entries ng members should be encoded sa portal. We already sent the portal to you, yung email ad, yung password po, para po ma-encode ninyo ang mga members, para magawa po agad yung ID. Speaking of ID, we want to inform you na ating ID kakaiba. Napakaganda po ang ating ID. Ito po ay may chip sa loob. Yung iba po mga ID, sali po kakaiba. Meron kaming sample. Kita niyo po sa LED wall. Ito po yung ating ID. Pag yun po ID mo, dilaban mo sa cellphone mo, sige po yan. Ayun yung internet mo. Zoom mo ba? Yan.
Pa bumalik? Hindi pa bumalik? Sa motor?
Ayan mo.
May kinuha.
Dalawa
May
ko sa
kinuha.
cellphone nyo.
Kinuha.
Sabihin po, tayo lang po may ganito. Yung iba pong walang conversation, wala din yan. Kaya po, ang encourage everybody, yung mga club secretary, please include na po ninyo yung inyong mga members sa portal. Yung kung gumagawa po, mag-check po ng portal, ay wala pong iba kundi si Kuya Rami Venturina. Kuya Rami, where are you? Saan ka? Dito ba? Ayun, si Kuya Rami po. Siya po si Kuya Rami, siya po yung nag-check ng mga IDs kung tama po yung entries bago po niya ipadala doon sa gumagawa ng ating ID. Yung ating ID po, Kuya, mga ate, mga Kuya, dati po 1 month, 2 months, 6 months bago ma-deliver. Ngayon po, araw lang, asa atin na po ating ID. So, maraming pagbabago na ginagawa po ang ating office para po mas mabilis ang servisyo po sa mga kuya at ate. Number 3, the Office of the National Treasurer ng ating fraternity is intended to release a monthly financial statement po to be distributed to lahat ng governors. Ang alam po ninyo, ito naman lahat ang pera nila tayo sa renewal at sa mga new members. So every month po, we will send it to the Gmail or email or Facebook account ng inyong mga governors. Kasi governor na po ang mag-relay sa kanyang mga clubs para po malaman ng mga members kung saan po napunta ang inyong mga pondo. Ang kasabi sa akin, Kuya MP, Kuya Jojo, kailangan transparent tayo sa lahat ng mga members para hindi po tayo pag-isipan na yung pera ng dinibahan sa mga member natin nagpupulsa, nagsasweldo at pinababayad ng kanilang opisina. So, gawin ko, makakasip ko kayo mga ate mga kuya. Actually po, kanina po sabi ko kay LB, kung makasabit ako na mag-report ako, sabi niya, sa first year, sa March na lang po ako magsasubmit ng financial statement para po malaman ninyo kung ilan na po ang nagsasabi. Pero as of today, as of 9:10 in the evening today, meron na pong siyam na regions na nagbayad ng kanilang renewal. Salamat po sa itong region na nagbayad ng kanilang renewal. So, hinamon po magandang gabi. Mabuhay po mga gano'n. Mabuhay tayo lahat.